Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. I'm going to set this down. So this is the NewBeauty TestTube box. NewBeauty magazine has their own box and they ship it out. It ships out every other month. So we're going to be finding out what's in the July box as well as giving one of the items to one of you. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in its entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So speaking of giveaways, every month they do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Ofra Good To Go palette. And I have this shade right here as the highlighter for today. This is my palette. I have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Like I said, I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings because I love brightening people's day. As far as what I have on my eyes today, I decided to go for more of a neutral look. It is the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. Looks like this, and I mainly got that top row on my eyes today. So how was your guys' weekend? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark that to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot. If you can hit that like button for me, that would be great too. So this is the July box for NewBeauty. You can pick it up for $29.95. It does have over a $200 value in it, and I believe this is one of the very first, if not the first, kind of beauty subscription boxes to come around. So let's open her up. I can already see that there's some items that aren't fitting in the test tube itself. So if you see me looking down, it's because my notes are on my phone. They got away from putting the card inserts, which I really do like. It's more environmental. Everybody's got a smartphone or an iPad or something that they can look up the information on if they'd like to. So this first item is from Hair Max. It's a quick dry hair towel. It does retail for $19. Quick drying and smoothing, this ultra plush microfiber towel absorbs water without roughing up the hair shaft. Plus, it reduces styling and blow dry time by up to 50%. So I always towel dry my hair because my hair is so curly. Otherwise, even if I use a diffuser, it still gets big and large. This is really, I mean, it's not big enough obviously for a body towel, but for, so here's one arm length, still can't reach the end, and here's the other, and it's super soft. I really like this. So most of the items did come in this cute little tube. You can reuse this. I put makeup as I got. It's filled to the brim. Got stuff falling out at me. You can put makeup brushes, hair scrunchies, hair ties, all sorts of fun stuff in the tube to reuse it. Guys, Tatcha is in here. Kyoto Red Silk Lipstick. Lipstick that retails for $55. Looking for hydrating matte lipstick that doesn't rub off. Tatcha's iconic formula is a secret, and not only does it boost an amazing texture, but it looks gorgeous on any skin tone too. Okay, it's a pretty heavy lipstick, but look at the packaging detail. Is this not stunning? Please be a red that I can use. If it's a red that's on the blue tone, I can wear it. If it's a red that's on the orange tone, I can't. It just looks bad on me. Here is what she looks like. That is stunning. I know it's kind of coming off on the camera a little bit more of the blue, but it's more of almost like, it's truly a matte shade. There's no shimmer on this, but it is more of almost like a pinky red. Oh, this needs to go on right now. So here's what it looks like on its own. Look how it just totally vamped up this look. And you know me, I love a little shimmer, so let's put some lip gloss on top of that. Just putting a Buxom lip gloss on top of that. That's really, really pretty. I like that one. From Virtue Labs is the Restorative Treatment Mask, retails for $30. Struggling with dry, breaking hair? You may need an intensive hair mask, and Virtue is the perfect match. Not only does it leave the hair looking silky and refreshed, but it also adds luster and bounce to any style. Even in the thick of summer. I don't know about you guys, but for whatever reason right here, like towards the back of my hair, it is just so dry. I don't know what's going on, so I need a good hair mask. So Rebe Charge's Hydrate Medic Clear Complexion and Drying Lotion retails for $27. Dealing with pesky pimples, reach for this hard-hitting spot treatment. Tap sulfur and beta hydroxy acids for an overnight banishing act. And the packaging looks like this. I don't really have a problem with pimples, so probably passing this one on to a friend or my 19-year-old son. From Babe Lash, this is the Essential Serum in a mini version. It does retail for $37. If your lashes are looking a little shorter than you'd like, apply this serum once daily before bed and watch them gradually appear thicker and fuller. This serum also can be used with extensions or strip lashes to support a better lash line. Better lashes mean better extensions. Just because we get hair extensions doesn't mean we don't use hair care. And then here's what this one looks like. From Herbo is the perfume oil roll-on, retails for $12. Wave goodbye to harsh chemicals with every swipe this scented oil, which is sourced with all natural ingredients. This does smell really, really nice. From Nature Lab Tokyo, I've heard amazing things about this brand, is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist, retails for $17. When your hair is dry and broken, it can never get enough shine. And this light reflecting oil turned mist, it's rich with plant butters and oils. It's no exception. Scar Away Clear Silicone Scar Sheets does retail for $14.99. Whether as a result of burns, acne, or surgery, scars are part of life. But when you want them to look flatter, softer, and less visible, reach for these sheets. Each one provides treatment for up to 10 days with visible results in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. I might see if my son can try these. He has a scar. We call it his Harry Potter scar because it literally goes down like this. It doesn't do the zigzag in the middle of his forehead, but it just goes straight down. When he was in preschool, he was chasing some girl around. They had those little tiny sinks, and one of them had a sharp corner, and he fell and 1/4 inch deep into his scalp. So he's got a big old scar, and he's had it for all his life. So I don't know if it would do anything this so far later. I don't know. So the total of this box was $220.99, a pretty good deal. So I have the secret word B, Montana. That's where my son is right now, competing in a race. What do you guys think of this box? Let me know. What was your favorite items in here? Hands down, hands down, hands down. Love it. What should we give away to one of you? Let's do that Hero perfume oil roll-on. It smells really, really, really nice. In the description box down below is a Google form link, and make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Put on it your YouTube name, and so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and that secret word. Do not fill out more than one form. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same Beauty AMA B, followed by the number 1. If you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. And if you are sharing them on Twitter, I can really check that. So that makes my life a lot easier too. When you are filling out the Google form link and you mark if you did do the bonus items, make sure that you did do so. Don't just mark them and not do them, or that'll disqualify you. Because I do check. So I will put in those bonus entries. Like I said, don't fill out extra bonus entries. Don't fill out multiple forms of the Google form. I will put in the computer. So what I do is I go to the computer, I put your first name, first initial of your last name. If you have bonus entries, I put that in. And then we kind of do the spin the wheel. The computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask me to pick you. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I will go and delete all the forms. I don't sell your information or anything like that. Nobody else has access to that information but me. Let's have this giveaway go through August 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on August 11th, my wedding anniversary, we will do our little spin the wheel. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. I appreciate it so much. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And good luck in the giveaway. Bye.